So I come in here and I see this. What are you doing? It's hard to see, but there is a rat under there. Or my pet dog. Alright, time to get out. Don't believe me? Alright, just a minute. There's a good shot. See, he was under there. He always does this. Alright, gotta get the rest out. Ow. Lazy dog. Let's get some shots at him. Here's him laying down. I call him Dead Bear. Look at those. The mouth. Oh. Nope, you're not going back in there. No. Alright, I'll be back once I get him out. Alright, we got half of him out. Just have his legs to do. What's so funny? See? He tries to bite. Think I'm a chew toy. You acting like a pig. You're nothing. This doesn't hurt, guys. Yeah. Look at the camera. Alright. Ready? Oh, it's time to whine. He's gonna whine. Alright. Get up. Get up, rat. Dead bear. Wanna get out? What was that? I cut. You didn't get to hear him whine. Alright, let's just sit back. Oh no, oh no. Is this take two of going under the bed? Nope. This is the aftermath. Teeth marks. You smell bad. Like this video if you think Bear is the cutest dog you've ever seen. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.